In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or just getting started with QuickBooks Online, understanding how to locate your journal entries is crucial for managing your financial records effectively. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the QuickBooks website. If you're new to QuickBooks and don't have an account yet, you'll want to sign up to get started. For those who already have an account, simply click on Sign in QuickBooks Online. Once you're there, proceed by entering your account details. After entering your credentials, click Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your password, so go ahead and do that and then click Continue again. Once you've logged in, you'll need to choose the company file you wish to work with. Select the one you're interested in to ensure you're pulling the correct information. After this, you'll arrive at your QuickBooks dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options and tools that you can use to manage your finances. On the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard, you'll notice a magnifying glass icon. This is your search tool. Click on it to open the search panel. In the search box that appears, type journal, or if you have a specific journal entry number, you can enter that too. QuickBooks will then present you with a list of recent transactions, making it easier to locate the entry you are searching for. To further refine your search, you can use the Advanced Search option located at the bottom of the search panel. Here you'll find a transaction type dropdown. Select a journal entry from this list. This action will filter out other transaction types, streamlining the process. You may also want to set specific filters such as a date range, amount, or account type to narrow down your results even further. Once you've set these parameters, click Search. Once the results are displayed, find the journal entry you wish to view or edit. Click on it to open. At this point, you have the option to view, print, or make any necessary edits to the journal entry. This flexibility ensures that any changes you may need to make are accurately reflected in your financial records. As you finish your revisions or overview of the journal entry, remember to save your work. Simply click on Save and Close to ensure that all modifications are preserved, and you'll be brought back to the main QuickBooks dashboard. And there you have it. You now know how to locate and manage your journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your financial records accurate and up to date is integral to sound financial management. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.